Tech fans, what's happening? With this shorts format, we got time for about 3 common sysadmin user problems and how we might fix those, right? Every sysadmin have users that run into issues, sometimes every day, same issue, right? And so we're gonna talk about a couple of them. Problem or issue number 1, I forgot my password. This is a classic issue for users. 90% of help desk calls start with this. What kind of tools do you have to work on issues like this? Well, you got Active Directory, users and computers, Azure AD, Okta, Jump Cloud, whatever your organization is using, right? Self-service password reset is what you really want. If your organization is there, you're golden, right? What is a fix for this? You got to reset the password, but you also want to educate your users about self-service reset, whether it's in documentation or some kind of portal. You want to encourage them to do it themselves. If they keep forgetting the password, you might want to suggest some kind of password manager to help them move along with this issue. Problem or issue number 2, I can't access the internet. What kind of tools do you have to solve a problem like this? Well, it's going to be ping, traceroute, IP or IF config, depending on the platform you're working on, DNS flush, stuff like that, right? First thing I would tell my user to do is reset your computer. Have you reset the computer? Turn it off, turn it back on. Let's see what that do. If it ain't that, then see if you can get an IP address, tell them to do IP config, or see if you can ping that user's thing, ping the gateway, check VLANs or check the firewall, DNS resolution, things like that. Problem number 3, I deleted an important file I really needed. I don't know what to do. Is all my work gone? Well, you want to calm your user down, tell them take a deep breath. If your company has backups, problem solved. This is an easy fix. You can go find the file, hopefully if it was done in the time that the backup was taken. If not, you can check the Windows file history, check out shadow copies. Also, the number 1 thing is recycling bin, right? You can do git recycling bin with a PowerShell command, or just go to the recycling bin. Most of the time when users delete a file, that's usually the first place it goes. You can go to that recycling bin, restore that file to its original location, problem solved, user got their file back, and you can move on to help the next user. And that's gonna be our time for today, tech fans. The top 3 of the common sysadmin user issues and how to solve them along with the tools. What kind of issues do you normally run into? Let's talk about it in the comments, or if you've never, if you're trying to become a sysadmin, what do you think would be your approach? Let's talk about it. Until the next video, Tech Fam, peace.